In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any unnecessary section of your website. Maybe you need to remove default header or footer from your installed website theme to add your own creative version. Or maybe you need to remove stubborn section from your blog post. Whatever the case may be, this tutorial is going to work for any website section. Continue watching this video until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Log into your WordPress dashboard. We are going to need one plugin, Real-Time Find and Replace. Come to Plugins, add new plugin, and search for Real-Time Find and Replace. Install it, then click on Activate. Now come to Tools, and here is the plugin, Real-Time Find and Replace. Click on it, and this is where we are going to delete any unnecessary section. In order to do that, visit your website homepage. Here it is, and now in this example we are going to remove this header, and later on we are going to remove footer. Right click anywhere on your home page and click on View Page Source. We are going to need this tab, but for now just click Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inspect the page. Now on the top left, where it says select an element in the page to inspect it, click on it, and we need to find header section. Here it is, just click on it, and now here is the header class. It starts here and ends right here. We need to find it in viewed page source. Just click on Ctrl plus F to search and search header class. Now here is the end of header class. Scroll back up, and here is the beginning. Now we need to find this primary header bar, and here it is. You need to highlight this section and scroll down until masthead here. Right click, copy. Why do we need to highlight it until masthead? Because as you can see, here is very tense. Now come back to Real-Time Find and Replace plugin, and here in the blank space you need to paste the code of your header. Right click, paste, and replace with just leave blank, and click on Update Settings. Now come back to your website homepage, click on Exit, and refresh your page. And as you can see, header section is removed. Now we are going to remove footer section of our website. Same process as removing header. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inspect the page. Scroll down so you can see your footer. Again, select an element in the page to inspect it, click on it, find footer, and now on View the Page Source, we need to search for footer class. Now we need to find this element or element in our viewed page source and delete it until closed footer. And as you can see, here is the element we need to highlight until closed footer we just found. Don't include entire footer because it's not going to work. Same goes for header. Just highlight it until closed footer, right click, copy, come back to Real-Time Find and Replace. Now click on Add New, paste entire footer section so we can delete it. Click on Update Settings. come back to your home page, exit, and now click on refresh. And as you can see, entire footer section is also deleted. If you scroll back up, as you can see, header section is deleted, then scroll back down, and also footer section is deleted. You can do this for any section you need to remove. If you have any stubborn website sections you want to remove, just do it in this way, with real-time find and replace plugin. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you to remove unnecessary section of your website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.